In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick poll in Microsoft Teams. This simple and effective tool can help you gather opinions, make decisions, and engage your team in real time. Whether you're facilitating a team meeting or just gathering some light-hearted feedback, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to create a poll efficiently. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. If you haven't already, open your browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website where you'll click on the Sign In button. Simply enter your credentials and you're ready to go. Once you're logged in, look for the video camera icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of your Teams interface. Clicking on it will give you the option to start a meeting. This feature is especially useful if you want to create a poll during a live session to gauge immediate feedback from your participants. Now that you're in your meeting, let's navigate to the chat section. You'll find the chat icon conveniently placed so you can switch between video and chat conversations effortlessly. Click on it to ensure that your communication channels are open and ready. In your chat window, locate the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking this icon allows you to add additional tools and apps to your meeting, fostering more interaction and collaboration. From the options that appear, you'll see polls. Select this to initiate creating a poll. Microsoft Teams makes this process incredibly straightforward by providing an integrated poll functionality directly within your chat interface. Now you'll want to add a description to your poll. This part is crucial as it provides context to your team. Think about what you need feedback on and make it clear in this description. The better the description, the more relevant feedback you'll receive. After you've set your description, it's time to craft your options. Microsoft Teams gives you the flexibility to tailor these to your specific needs. You can retype and adjust these options according to the questions or topics pertinent to your audience. Before finalizing your poll, it's a good idea to see how it looks from the participant's perspective. Click on the preview button to review your poll. This step ensures everything is correctly formatted and clearly communicates your question and options. Once you're satisfied with how your poll looks and functions, it's time to share it with your team by clicking on Send. Your poll is now live and team members can start casting their votes, providing you with the insights you need. Creating quick polls in Microsoft Teams is an efficient way to engage your team, facilitate decision making, and drive collaboration. By following these steps, you're all set to create impactful polls for any occasion. Thanks for watching and happy polling.